We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with COSM stock, Cosmos Health Inc. having a pop up here in the first half of the day and pulling back down within the volatility. But COSM stock was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator at 10:15 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision. And put options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see, they're popping up on the screen in the options chain. Some options turned out to go higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with COSM stock bouncing up from the $4 range, trying to head towards $6. Rejected that resistance that we talked about at 550, has pulled back down, and we're going to break down what's going on here within the charts and our inflow versus outflow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix bot. Our Netflix bot sent out a bear indicator at 10:30 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision. And put options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with COSM stock, Cosmos Health Inc. doing a full transition here from bright green bars on 42 vision, which is what I call the rip area, all the way down to a dip area here on December 22nd. Try to find support here with the red bars and hit a dip area here again on December 27th. If it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision. It allows us to see the dips from the rips and the rips to the dips and where the weakness and strength lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So COSM stock had been under a bear indicator since way back here on December 22nd, up here at 794, and the outflows had crossed in the after hours the day before and started to pull away from the pre-market to the bell on the 22nd, followed by that bear indicator, and we had gotten our first bull indicator today on the 30-minute chart, guys. And it's the first time that inflows pick back up here. And I talked about the possibility after hitting this dip area of a possible momentum move or dead cat bounce. And so far, it went up really fast in just a matter of an hour from 434 to highs here of 555, followed by a bull indicator and inflows crossing back over. And if you look at this from the 15-minute chart, you could see here the full transition and how quickly things were moving to the upside and transitioning back down and canceling out that bull indicator by a bear indicator up here at 486. And now it's back down in the 450s. So the first thing I would watch here on the 15-minute is if these inflows can come back up towards the midpoint and cross over it, as the outflows right now are dominating and it's under a bear indicator. If those inflows can start to pick up, it's going to be critical to see if that bear indicator can get canceled, followed by a possible bull indicator as things try to come back up to the 480s or possibly even $5. Now, this is the 15-minute. On the 30-minute, the outflows just crossed here towards the end of the day, and it's critical because it's very, very close, guys. Very close. The 15-minute, if you zoom in, it's a little bit further, and on the 30-minute, it's pretty close, and on the 1 hour here, in the bigger time frame, you could see why things rejected so fast, because these inflows on the bigger time frame are trying to come back up, but they've been dominating with outflows since the 22nd, followed by that bear indicator since way back here on December 16th in the after hours at around $13, and any jump up has not had enough strength to cancel out that bear indicator. And today, even though we're green and inflows tried coming back up, we're still below the midpoint and far away from it, guys. So on the 30-minute, I would watch here if these inflows could try to come back up, bringing up the 15-minute with it, canceling these bear indicators in the process, trying to get back towards $5. I'm going to share with you guys the resistance level above that. That will be critical, and the supports that I would watch. But in the process of the 30-minute trying to come back up, that the 1 hour goes closer to the midpoint and crosses over it as well. That's going to be critical because outflows are still putting weight on any move up because of the fact that outflows are dominating over the inflows. I've stated this in previous videos before. Volatility, in my opinion, not financial advice, just my perspective and opinion alone, will continue, and it's here to stay. A lot of volatility in the markets nearly every single day, and within that volatility, there's opportunity to grow and learn every single day within those moves, and having a clarity of the charts makes all the difference, right? So here we are on the 30-minute, coming right back down where everything basically started today, canceling that bull indicator, and also the outflows coming back to dominate. And if these outflows pull away from the midpoint to the downside, the first support I would watch is $4.40, and below that is $4. Now, if these inflows could start to pick up and come back over the midpoint and cross over it, again, on multiple time frames, and eventually cancel out these bear indicators, followed by a bull indicator to the upside and start that staircase effect, the first resistance is $5. Now, above that, I would be watching here if it could get towards $5.50 and break above that towards that $6 resistance up here, where things rejected yesterday within the first few hours of the day. And you could see why, even though those inflows were green, the outflows continue to dominate, and we were below the midpoint, and you could see that pure weakness there after breaking through support of $5.50 and going lower towards the $4 range. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.